Claude Code is an absolute beast for terminal-based AI coding. But let's be honest, those API costs and subscription walls can add up incredibly fast. If you want that exact same AI agent running directly in your terminal experience without spending a dime, you actually have some incredible open source options right now. Let's break down the best free alternatives you can set up today. First up is Aider, and honestly, this is probably the closest you'll get to Claude Code right now. It lets you chat with an AI right inside your terminal. But here's the kicker. It doesn't just hand you code suggestions to copy-paste. It actually jumps into your local files, makes the edits, and wraps everything up with automatic Git commits. The best part? You don't have to pay a dime for premium subscriptions. You can run it completely free just by plugging in Google's free tier Gemini API keys, or by hooking it up to your own local models using Ollama. If you live in the terminal, this thing is an absolute game changer. Next up is Continue.dev. If you prefer working directly inside your code editor rather than jumping back and forth to a raw terminal, you're gonna love this. It's a completely open source extension for VS Code and JetBrains that handles your autocompletes, lets you highlight sections to chat with, and refactors entire files on the fly. But here's the best part. You can hook it up to totally free local models like Llama 3. Since everything runs right on your own machine, your code never leaves your computer, and it costs you absolutely nothing. And for a quick honorable mention, if you're looking for a terminal agent that can actually step in and do the heavy lifting, like running code, installing packages, and spinning up entire apps from scratch, you definitely want to check out Open-Interpreter or Mentat. Both give you that raw, autonomous agent power completely free without making you sign up for another corporate subscription. Look, you don't need a massive budget to have a world-class AI coding assistant in 2026. Drop a comment below. Are you Team Terminal or Team IDE? Smash that subscribe button for more dev tools, and I'll see you in the next one.